Welcome to this moment of calm and reflection with belly breath. Allow yourself to let go of distractions and focus on this time of peace and renewal. As you breathe deeply, open your heart and mind to the healing power that flows through every part of your being. Let's begin this journey together, believing in transformation, renewal, and inner strength. Take a deep breath in, and as you slowly exhale, feel the tension start to melt away. In this moment, envision yourself standing by a peaceful river, the water gently flowing past, carrying away any burdens you may be holding. The air around you is fresh, filled with the scent of blooming wildflowers, as the warmth of the sun wraps you in comfort. This is a space of renewal. In this place, healing is abundant and always available to you. Just as nature restores itself, so too can you restore your mind, body, and spirit. Imagine the river representing your life's journey, sometimes calm, sometimes rapid, but always moving forward. As you listen to the gentle flow of the water, remind yourself that healing comes when we allow ourselves to let go. Release any tension in your body, starting from your head. Let it flow down to your neck, your shoulders, your chest, all the way to your toes. You're becoming lighter, freer, and more open to receiving healing. Visualize a soft golden light surrounding you, its warmth touching every part of your body. This light represents your inner strength, the energy of life that is always with you, no matter what challenges you face. Let this light flow through you, soothing any pain or discomfort, bringing peace where there was once worry. Now, focus on your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. As you do, feel the energy of renewal filling you, cleansing you, making you whole. Imagine each breath as a cycle of healing, bringing in strength and releasing all that no longer serves you. Take a moment to reflect on what you need healing for, whether it's physical, emotional, or spiritual. Hold that intention in your heart. Believe that just as the river continues to flow and the sun continues to shine, healing is always within reach. As we close this time of reflection, breathe in one more deep, calming breath and gently release. Carry this sense of peace and renewal with you throughout your day. Healing is not a destination, but a journey, a process that continues with every step you take. If you found this moment of peace and renewal helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BellyBreath. Together, we can spread calm, healing, and positivity to others. Thank you for joining, and we look forward to sharing more moments of meditation with you.